Okay, hello and welcome. In this video, what we're going to be doing is setting up the connections required for Power Automate flows that we're going to create. So once you're in Power Automate, if you click on the data dropdown on the sidebar and click on connections, we need to create 4 different connections for the Ultrix Adventure flows. The first one that we're going to create is the Microsoft Forms connection. So just hit new connection up in the top left there. And this can be a bit challenging because there's no search box here. But if you can just find Microsoft Forms in the list. I think it might be under M. There we go. So we click on the Microsoft Forms and then we create. And you'll be prompted with a pop-up to choose the account you want to create the connection under. For this one, we're just using a personal account, but if you're setting this up, we would recommend using a service account if you have access to it, just so that if you leave, the flow will continue to work and you don't need to migrate them. So the next one that we're going to create is SharePoint. And we want to connect directly. We use cloud services, SharePoint sites. You may need to use the on-prem one if you are using an on-premise SharePoint. Excellent. And then the third one that we're going to create is Outlook. So that'll be probably down in the O. But we've already got one of those connections there. So you may need to create that as well, but it's the same process. And the final one that we're looking to create is an approval connection as well. I think that's just under A for approval. There we go, approvals. You select this one, we create this connection, and now we've got all 4 of the connections we require for building our Power Automate flows. In the next video, we'll be stepping through how to create those from scratch. I hope to see you then.